With our local server environment running, we need to set up Dreamweaver. To create a new site, go to Manage Site and then Create New Site. Here we need to type site name. For local site folder, we need to choose a folder. In this case, we're going to use desktop, and we create a new folder. From here, we're going to choose servers and then create a new server. On server name, we can submit any server name we want. Connecting using, we're going to use a local network. And on server folder, we need to choose the MAMP folder. Over applications, then look for MAMP, then htdocs, and inside here we create a new folder. Select this folder and click choose. For web URL, we're going to use localhost, semicolon, and the default port for MAMP. If we need to change the port, in the MAMP, go to Preferences, and here we can change the port as desired. After the port, we need to type the same folder name that we choose. Then go to Advanced, click here on Server Model and choose PHP MySQL. Click on Save. Here, instead of being remote, we're going to use as a testing server. Click on Save. Click on Done. Now for testing if this is working, we can create a new file, PHP, and we're going to use this as a test.php. Save, and in our body section, we can type this is a test. Click Open in Browser and choose your default browser. Do you want to save it? Click on Yes to all. Now we can see our local server is up and running with our folder and our file.